Hello everyone, welcome in module 3 of chapter 15, light. In module 1 and module 2 we covered many topics. Today in module 3 we are going to talk about types of lenses and their uses, dispersion of white light and formation of rainbow. So let's start. Let's begin with the difference between reflection and refraction. So bouncing back of incident ray in the same medium, that is called reflection, means air to air. But here you can see this incident ray is passing to water, means from air to water. Water is another medium. So when the rays pass from one medium to another, that is called refraction. Before studying about the lenses, let's find the difference between mirror and lenses. As you can see here, this is a mirror while this is a lens. Mirror is opaque object, means you cannot look through it, while lenses are the transparent objects. So that is the main difference in between these two. Depending upon the structure, the lenses are of two types. If a lens is thicker in middle and thinner at the edges, that is called convex lens. And if it is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges, that is called concave lens. As we can see here, after passing through the convex lens, the beam of parallel ray of light converges to one point, and that is called focus. This point is called focus. That's why convex lens is also called converging lens. And here we can see that after passing through a concave lens, the rays of light, they are diverging, means going away from each other, and they appear to meet at one point. So that's why concave lens is called diverging lens. Images formed by convex lens will be real, means can be obtained on the screen, inverted means upside down, and large, and it will appear close to the lens. While the images formed by concave lens will be virtual, means cannot be obtained on the screen, will be erect this way, and it will be small and appears far away. Convex lens is used in magnifying glasses, spectacles, telescope, binocular, microscope, etc., while concave lens is used to make the spectacles, camera lenses, door peepholes, and telescopes. There is an interesting fact that white light of the sun that contains 7 colors light in it, which separates out due to refraction, and that bundle of 7 lights is called the spectrum of light. This spectrum of white light can be seen in rainbows, soap bubbles, surface of a compact disc, and through prism. Let's do an experiment to prove that white light is the mixture of 7 colors. For that we need this triangular glass prism. So allow a narrow beam of white light, maybe the sunlight too, to fall on one face of the glass prism, and place a white sheet of paper on the other side of the prism. What will you see? A band of 7 colors is visible on this paper, and these 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, which is also called Vibgyor. So the band of these 7 colors, that is called the spectrum of white light, and the splitting of white light into 7 colors is called the dispersion of white light. Lights of all colors travel at same speed in vacuum, but in any transparent medium such as glass and water, etc., the light of different colors travel with different speed. The red light travels the fastest and violet light slowest of all the 7 colors, and as a result what happens, the red color bends the least. As you can see here in the picture, red color, the bending is least, while bending of violet color is the most out of these 7 colors. And this unequal bending of lights of different colors, it causes dispersion of white light. This is a colorful disc which was used by Newton to show that 7 colors of the spectrum of white light, when added together, give white light. So when this disc is rotated fast, as you can see here, the disc appears white, and this shows that white light consists of 7 colors. Formation of this rainbow is a very beautiful example of dispersion of white light. Just after the rain, a large number of small droplets of water remain suspended in the air, and each drop acts as a small prism. When sunlight falls on these drops, it splits into 7 colors. That is Vibgyor. So a rainbow results from the dispersion of sunlight through tiny raindrops in the atmosphere. Let's recap what we learned today. So now we know a lens which is thicker in middle and thinner near the edges is called a convex lens. Convex lens is also called converging lens. A lens that is thinner at the middle and thicker near the edges is called concave lens, which is also called diverging lens. A convex lens forms an inverted and real image when the object is placed at a distance from the lens. When the object is placed very near to the convex lens, the image formed is erect, virtual, and enlarged. A concave lens always forms an erect, diminished, means small, and virtual image of the object wherever be its position. The splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion of white light. During dispersion of light by a glass prism, a red light bends the least, whereas the violet light bends the most. The band of 7 colors formed on the screen due to dispersion of white light is called a spectrum of white light. 7 colors of a spectrum when mixed give the white light. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day ahead.